Today, we are going to learn about the 4 basic skills of English, known as LSRW. L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, and W for writing. So let's start today's class and learn together.
The first skill is listening. We listen to learn new words and understand others. Good listeners become good speakers.
Next is speaking. Let's talk in English with confidence. Now comes reading. Reading helps us learn new things every day. Books make learning fun.
The last skill is writing. We write to share our ideas on paper. Let's write neatly and carefully. These are the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. When we practice all, we become great English learners. Let's listen, speak, read, and write every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more English learning videos.